Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to write the letter X. The letter X is something different because it doesn't resemble any of other letters and has its kind of own logic. Most of the people write it something like this, so one stroke to the left and one stroke to the right, and it looks kind of like this, but I'm not a big fan of this variant here because it seems to me pretty illogical and not really nice looking. So I just found for myself the variant I really like and kind of a variation of this variant. Okay, we can start at the bottom, then go in to the right at a certain angle, and then the connector looks really strange now, but if we add a stroke here, it just works really cool. And as well you can use the same approach, but connect the last stroke with the first one using this line here and going here. So something like this. It's not really a common letter, so you won't use it a lot of times, but it can be pretty tricky. Okay, let's try it with a brush pen now, and we will try this one. I'll do my best to make it not look super ugly. Kind of like this. Sometimes you see it's kind of unbalanced or something like that. I just don't really like it. And sometimes there is a lot of space here, so somebody adds a little stroke inside here, kind of fill in that gap. Okay, let's go to my favorites. X and okay, yes, that looks nice. Well, let's try it in a word now. For the first one I will use the word ox with a simple O, and it's in the end of the word, so I can use this variant because it doesn't need any connections or anything. Okay, let's try it one more time. Yes, something like this looks nice. Okay, and for the next words I will use another pen, I guess. This one where the tip is really nice for now, and the word would be Xerox. And I'm from Russia, and it's a really popular word here, and it's basically means just a copy machine. It's even became a verb, so kind of make a copy, so just Xerox it. But in Russia nobody, like literally nobody, pronounces the word right. It was a real shock for me when I learned like a couple of years ago that it's really reads as Xerox, not Xerox. Just a little fun story. And the word here is really tough because you see here I don't know what the angle here is, then the E, then I know that most of the time R should be a little bit slanted to the left, so it's really tough to write it. So O should be definitely be like E, and X looks really weird now. But if we use these two strokes, yes, it all comes together. Okay, so that's a couple of variants of how to write letter X. Enjoy!